This must be a first. I should take a picture of you guys now. Everybody got the correct answer. This never happens.
B for bioinformatics.
What's that? B for bioinformatics. Absolutely. Dropping the new science, kicking the new knowledge. All right. So we did standard deviation, right?
Yes.
So basically, that's the spread. That's a huge spread. That's 10 points, or basically 11 points in either direction, right? Here's what, and I'm going to calculate this. You don't have to do this for every one, but I'm going to do it anyway. A lot of times in science, what happens is standard deviation is too wide. That it's not, it can be very, very big. And so what scientists and mathematicians have developed is what's called standard error. So let's put that in there. Pesetas. Okay, standard error. Okay, put it here. Here's what standard error is. It is basically just, so we're going to make a little equation here. So you're on row 70, column K, right?
Yeah.
Go up into your box here, go equals. So standard error is the standard deviation divided by the number of, the numbers that we are looking at, which is called N.
N?
N. Yeah, not O-N. Oh, it's N.
I'm so confused.
That would be the number. So how many numbers do we have that we're taking the standard deviation of? How many teams played?
16. 32.
He was so confident. All right, let's put in 32. But now we got to take the square root of that. So does anybody know how to take the square root of something in Excel?
Parentheses, something, square root.
Nope. Here's what we do is we take it to a power that basically takes the square root of that. So if you want to take something to a certain power,
Fraction.
you're going to hit that, see that hi-hat above 6? So you're going to hit shift, do that little hi-hat thing. I don't know what the actual name for that is.
Small arrow.
Small arrow going up. Okay, so we did that. So to take, does anybody know what the exponential for square root is? What is it?
Half.
Yes, 0.5. Good job. Oh my, you're on fire today.
He takes AP Spanish. Made no sense.
No, it didn't, did it? I would hope you would be an AP Spanish. Okay, hit return. Tell me you got a 1.93395.
Oh, put ST.
Okay, do we have to do this for every column? No, heck no. So let's select these two boxes. So this would be K69, K70. Raj, you with me? Okay. Select those two boxes. Everybody see what I'm doing? Okay, well, wait a minute. Okay, and then drag, the magical drag. All right. Now we have calculated standard deviation and standard error for all columns. Okay, looking at this ST, based on just looking at these 4 columns, looking at just the individual teams, based on the standard deviation, which method has the skinniest hill?
Prediction average.
Shh. You are not ST.
Oh. Oh.
Which one? Yep. I think, yes. No, wait. No, you're wrong. Oh, predicted weight average. Is that what you said? Yeah, you're right. Totally. I'm sorry. right? This standard deviation, if we go out from that mean, that's the smallest number. So therefore, that hill is the skinniest. If we look here, the widest one is with medians. Which kind of makes, I don't know if it makes sense or not. It's kind of weird. All right, so here's what we're going to do is, now what we can do is we can graph this. And I'm going to tell you this is a very, very important